Hey guys, it's Michael here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys. I think there's an alien in here. I'm going to try not to make any sudden movements. He won't let go. Alright guys, so basically me and Alien came to an understanding, and he is not letting me go, but he is going to let me finish this science experiment because he thought it was super cool. So Alien, high five. He will be carrying me the whole time because he's afraid I will run away, because I will. But until then, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super awesome, amazing pumpkin volcano using some of the old experiments. So we're going to be doing it two different ways. We're going to be doing it the vinegar and baking soda way, and we're going to be doing it the elephant toothpaste way. So first things first, we have our pumpkins, and we're going to carve them up. All right, for the sake of time, I'm just gonna be carving the pumpkin, and you might see some rapid motion of a quick time lapse. I will be carving this with a little bit of a sharp object, so if you need help carving your pumpkins, don't be afraid to ask an adult for help. In my case, I have my alien friend, and let's get started. Alright guys, so we have both of our pumpkins here. Super special, super neat. I wore gloves because it's super, super messy. And this alien has a thing about pumpkins. So we're gonna try our two different methods of this. So our first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put in hydrogen peroxide, and I'm gonna use a full cup. And we're gonna put that in here. So a full cup of hydrogen peroxide. Try to make sure it doesn't fall too much. All right. Maybe just a little bit more. All right. And in here, we're gonna put a good amount of baking soda. There's no exact amount, but just if you put a bunch of baking soda, remember you're gonna need some vinegar with that. So I just put a really good amount in there. All right. So in this with the baking soda, I'm gonna put a little bit of warm water and dish soap. With the hydrogen peroxide, I'm gonna put some dish soap too. And I'll put some food coloring. So I'm gonna put orange in this pumpkin. And I'm gonna put some green in this one. All right. Now, next thing we're gonna do is, in order to make this react, we're gonna put some dry instant yeast in there, in this random cup. And then we're gonna mix it with some warm water. So, there we go, instant yeast, warm water, and we're just gonna mix that in. And then in another cup, I'm gonna put my vinegar in there. So as you can see, this is quite a messy project, but it is really fun and worth it. So I'm gonna put the yeast in with the hydrogen peroxide and the soap in the food coloring, and inside with the baking soda and food coloring, I'm gonna put my vinegar. So let's see if they react good. So as you can see, this pumpkin volcano reacted perfectly. This one is foaming, but I think it needed a little more pizzazz with it. So let's try it again. All right, so this time I didn't give him a mouth, but I am gonna do the same thing, add in the hydrogen peroxide. I'm gonna add a little bit extra this time. I'm going to put in my food coloring and my dish soap. And I have my packet of yeast right here. I'm gonna add in with warm water. I'm gonna stir that up. And let's see if we get a different reaction this time. So it's foaming through. You can see it in here. And I think it's just gonna take a little bit of time for it to go all the way up. It's rising. So this is where we wait patiently. And as you can see, it is rising up, and it is almost there to the eyes. Not quite there. So we didn't get quite the big reaction with this one, but we definitely got it with the vinegar. So these are definitely experiments that you can try. I think you should try them out. Leave a comment, show us how you did it. My alien friend does not have a name, so if you have one for him, let us know too. Love to give him a name. So, as of now, peace out. And me and my alien friend are gonna go eat some food.